me, Sam. As for some of you know, I got my hair dyed red. And, I mean, I like it. So I just wanted to tell you that I dyed my hair red. I don't look all that different. And, yeah. And yes, I can put my hair up in a comb. Yeah, so subscribe to me, comment, today my eyes turned green, so yeah, subscribe, I said this, love you all, and there's something wrong with my computer. Yeah, so, love you. Alright. Samo out.